Gonna go build a butterfly house? Let's go. Well, good morning. It's Saturday. It's a weekend. As I mentioned in an earlier video, I have started marathon training. This morning I did 11 miles. So got that done with some friends, came home, showered, had breakfast, and now we are going to Home Depot. It is the first time to meet, and this little kid right here, will be building and participating in the kids Home Depot workshop. The workshop started in 1997, so even when I was a child. I think we did it like once, but I'm super excited. It's the first time we're doing it with Mateo. We're gonna go and just build a butterfly house. That's what it's gonna be, a butterfly house. So let's go get this done. Huh? Say Home Depot. The workshop program started in 1997, and it's the first Saturday of every month. Today's first Saturday in March. So let's go do this. Let's go build a butterfly house. Are you ready? There. Look, baby. 2, 3, 4. Elizabeth joined us today. Hi. You put this one with this one. See the little hole right there? And this right here. Right there. Yeah. Where's the little thing? You have it? The screw, baby? Where's the screw? Right here. mama. Say, look, mama.
Mama.
Show her the house. Say, look, mama, butterfly house.
What do you got?
Quick restroom break, and then we're almost done. Bye. Teo, let me see your hands. Show me your hands. Ooh, you gotta clean your hands. Get dirty. Hard day on the job too. Butterfly house. Show me. What colors are they? Green, and what is that one? Orange and green. Oh, that's a nice little surprise that they finished the snack as well for finishing their project. Oh yeah. Let me see, show me. Choose. We did it! All done. Give me like this, look.